Good morning, children. Welcome back to English online class. In the last class, I was teaching you about the nouns, right? And I have explained you also what is noun, 5 kinds of nouns also, and I've given the exercise parts also, right? We have started the exercise part till 8th main. We have completed, right? In the last class. Today we are going to complete the remaining part. Okay, from in the page number 20. From page number 20, we are going to start today. Grammar will finish off, children. After this chapter, after the noun completes, then we'll go for the lessons. Okay. Now, and one more thing, children. Please write the classwork neatly, very neatly. You have to maintain the classwork and you have to write neatly. You are grown-up students, right? You have come from 5th to 6th now. You have to maintain your classwork. You have to learn how to maintain the classwork, how to read and how to write, everything. Isn't it? So, I hope you all understood what I said now. Please maintain the classwork neatly, okay? And read for the coming test. Second round test also will be coming. Still we don't know, but you have to keep on reading all the subjects. Then and there itself you read. After you complete one lesson notes, you start reading that notes. That complete the portions. Then and there itself. Don't think that we can read later on. Don't think. Please read then and there itself. Then it will be completed also, and it will not be a big burden for you during the test time. Okay. Today we are going to start with the remaining exercises. We have completed 8th main. Now we are going to start the 9th main. 9th main. Read the passage. They have given you read the passage. I'll read the passage and I'll give you the answers. Write in grammar textbook by using the pencil. Don't use the pen to write the grammar textbook. Okay, you have to write with the pencil. I know you are grown-up students, you are 6th standard students, but still you have to write with the pencil only in the grammar textbook. Okay, now I'll read out the passage and I'll give you the answer. Many unique houses exist across the world. They are built of different materials. Cave house carved out from rock are said to be the earliest dwelling for man. Houses made of mud can be seen in Africa, India, China, and parts of Central and South America. Mud is combined with straw, sticks, dung, and oil. Snow houses made of ice called igloos can be found in places such as Alaska and Greenland. Houses made of wood are also popular because they are durable and healthier to live in. In places where there are lots of stones, many houses are made of stone. Brick, cement, and sand came to replace materials such as wood, stone, mud, and straw. With the advance in technology, bricks are made of clay. Brick houses can be found in many places across the world. You have to see which are the materials being used in this passage, in this paragraph. Okay, name all the material nouns you see in the passage. Which are the materials you see in this passage? First one, rock. Second one, ice. Third one, clay. Fourth one, mud. Fifth one, wood. Sixth one, straw. 7th one, stone. Next, 8th one, sticks. 8th one, bricks. 9th one, dung. 10th one, cement. 11th one, oil. 12th one, sand. See, these are the materials is used in this passage. There are many materials being used in this passage. First one is rock, ice, clay, mud, wood, straw, stone, sticks, bricks, dung, cement, oil, sand. These are the materials used in this passage. You have to identify which are the materials being used in this passage. Okay. We'll go for the 10th main. Now we'll go for the 10th main. Copy this in your textbook. Use pencil to write the grammar textbook. Don't write with a pen. Okay. 10th main. Make abstract nouns from the following adjectives. Make abstract nouns from the following adjectives. First one, curious. First one they have given. Curious. Answer is curiosity. Second one, proud. Proud. Pride. Beautiful. Beauty. There is no numbers. Don't get confused. Read the question and answer. Okay. Generous. Just. Justice. Just. Justice. Able. Ability. Able. Ability. Bright. Brightness. Bright. Brightness. Young. Youth. Young. Youth. Excellent. Excellence. I'll write here. Excellent. Excellence. Honest. Honesty. Honest. Honesty. Power. Poor. Poverty. Poor. Poverty. Violent. Violence. Violent. Violence. True. Truth. True. Truth. Patient. Patience. Patient. Patience. Patient. Patient. Patience. Important. Importance. Important. Importance. Important. Importance. These are the words given in the 10th main. 10th main. Now, copy this, children, in your grammar textbook. You copy this in your grammar textbook. I'll erase this 9th main. We'll go for the 11th main. We'll go for the 11th main. Copy fast. You should be very fast. You are grown-up students. You have to copy fast. Okay. 11th main. 11th mean make abstract nouns from the noun given. Make abstract noun from the nouns given. They have given the nouns, you have to make abstract nouns. Okay? Patriot. First one they have given patriot, patriotism. Patriotism. So, second word, child, childhood. Child, childhood. Neighbor, neighborhood. Owner, ownership. Owner, ownership. Sorry. Adult, adulthood. Adult, adulthood. Captain, captainship. Pilgrim, pilgrimage. Pilgrim, pilgrimage. Pilgrim, pilgrimage. Leader, leadership. Leader, leadership. Brother, brotherhood. Brother, brotherhood. Friend, friendship. Friend, friendship. Member, membership. King, kingship. We have completed the 11th main. We go to the 12th main. Make abstract nouns from the verbs given. See, first in the 11th main, they have given the nouns. You have to change it to the abstract nouns. In the 12th main, they have given the verbs. You have to make it as abstract nouns. You have to make it that as abstract nouns. I'm going to erase the 10th main, children. I hope you have copied this. If you have not copied, please pause the video and complete it. Okay? We'll go for the 12th main. 12th main, make abstract nouns from the verbs given. Make the abstract nouns from the verbs given. Obey, obey, obedient. Obey, obedience. Move, movement. Move, movement. Life, life. Life, life. Attend, attendance. When you are writing the answers, please look at the question and write. Don't simply write blankly, okay? Look at the question and answer, okay? I'm writing only the answers, not the questions. So I'm telling you, when you are writing, please look at the question and try to read that question and answer, okay? Attendance, laugh, laughter. Irritate, irritation. Irritate, irritation. Satisfy, satisfaction. Satisfy, satisfaction. Satisfy, satisfaction. Believe, belief, believe, belief. I am reading the question, repeating the question 2 times. Listen to me carefully. Grow, growth. Grow, growth. Die, death. Die, death. Please, pleasure. Please, pleasure. Choose, choose. Choose, choice. Behave, behavior. Behave, behavior. Succeed, success. Succeed, success. Admit, admission. Admit, admission. Admit, admission. We have completed the 12th main also, children. Copy this. I'll give you 2 minutes. I will erase the 11th main. Copy this. I'll give you 2 minutes. Read the question. Once again, I'm telling you, read the question when you are answering the question. Okay, read question and answer. Next 13th main is pick the right abstract noun. Pick the right abstract noun. I'll erase this 11th main. Thirteenth main in the page number 22. In the page number 22, 13th main, first one. Birbal was known for his. They have given 3 options for this question. Birbal was known for his freedom, kingdom, wisdom. Which is the right answer in this? Wisdom. For first one, answer is wisdom. First one answer is wisdom. Second, exercise builds up your. They have given you 3 options for this: strength, length, depth. What is the answer for this? Strength, right? Second one answer is strength. Strength. Third one, the dove is a symbol of pain, peace, fear. Wow, which is the answer for this? Peace. Peace. Fourth one, we admired the dash of the Taj Mahal. Honesty, pretty, or beauty? Beauty, right? Fourth one answer is beauty. Fourth one answer is beauty. Fifth one, have dash in your abilities. Confidence, obedience, intelligence. Confidence. Fifth one is confidence. Confidence. Sixth one, failure is the stepping stone to dash weakness, success, greatness. Which is the answer for this? Success. Sixth one answer is success. Seventh one, all the things in nature are a dash of God. Dash of God. And they have given you the 3 options for this. One is creation, relation, collection. What is the answer for this? Which is the answer for this? Creation. God's creation, right? It's creation. True dash is priceless. Membership, kingship, friendship. Which is the answer for this? Eighth one, I'll write here. Eighth one, friendship. friendship. Ninth one, exams test the dash of students, knowledge, curiosity, faith. Which is the answer for this? Knowledge. Knowledge. 10th one, last one in this. Dash can change the world. Admission, education, satisfaction. Satisfaction or education or admission? Education. 10th one is education. Education, right? We have completed the 13th main. We'll go for the 14th main. I'll erase the 12th main, children. We'll go for the 14th main. Choose an abstract noun to fill in the blanks. Choose an abstract noun to fill in the blanks. They have given the options at the end. After 9th question, they have given you the options, answers. You have to select the proper answer and you have to write in the proper position. Okay. He is on dash a Mecca. First one. He is on a dash to Mecca. What is the answer for this 14th main? First one answer, pilgrimage. First one answer is pilgrimage. First one answer is pilgrimage. Second one, parents are responsible for the dash of their children. Of their children. Safety. Safety of their children. Miss Gracie receives her guest with a lot of warmth. Fourth one, the man begged the court to give him, the man begged the court to give him justice. Justice. Fifth one, without health there is no dash. Without health there is no dash. What is the answer? Happiness. Happiness. Sixth one, it's a great dash to meet you. It's a great dash to meet you. It's a great pleasure. It's a great pleasure to meet you. I spent most of my dash in my grandparents' house. Childhood. Seventh one is childhood. Eighth one, there is no dash in what he says. In what he says. Eighth one, truth. Truth. There is no truth in what he says. Ninth one, the last one I'm going to write here. Ninth one, strength is dash, weakness is dash. Strength is dash, weakness is dash. Ninth one, first answer is life and the second answer is death. Life, death. Strength is life, weakness is death. Weakness is death. Next, we'll go for the 15th main. 15th main. Read the passage below. They have given the passage below. You have to complete the following sentence with abstract noun from the passage. You have to find out abstract noun in this passage. In this passage. Okay. We'll go for the 15th main, children. I'll erase this 13th main. Fifteenth main, page number 23. Page number 23 in the grammar textbook. Read the passage below. Read the passage below. Monkeys are one of the funniest animals in nature. They are full of curiosity, adventure, and mischief. Monkeys have feelings of love, fear, and even hatred. They hold hands with affection. Scientists have studied about communication among monkeys. They have found that monkeys speak a language for alerting others about any danger. Young monkeys can be trained because of their intelligence. This was the passage they have given. In this, you have to find out the abstract noun. Complete the following sentence with abstract nouns from the passage. First one, in the 15th main, first one, what they've given? Monkeys are full of dash and dash. They've given, you have to write 3 answers for this. Monkeys are full of dash, dash, and dash. First one answer, curiosity. First one answer is curiosity. Second one in the same sentence, adventure. And they have given and mischief. Second one, monkeys have feelings of dash, dash, and dash. Second one, love, fear, and hatred. They have given the answers. These are the dashes. Okay. Young monkeys can be trained because their dash. Young monkeys can be trained because of their intelligence. Third one, intelligence. Fourth one, monkeys hold hands with dash. Monkeys hold hands with affection. Fifth one, monkeys alert others about any danger. So we have completed the 15th main, children. We have completed till 15th main. We'll continue the remaining exercise in the next class. That is from page number 24. We'll continue the next class. Countable and uncountable nouns. We'll continue in the next class. We'll finish off that, children. Okay. Hope you have understood. You have to write in the grammar textbook by using pencil. Don't write with the pen. Use only the pencil to write in the grammar textbook. Complete this and submit your classwork and homework on Wednesday. Homework also, children. I'll give you the homework today. One assignment. I'll erase this. 14th May. I'll give you the assignment here. Assignment is from the grammar textbook. Okay. Assignment is from the grammar textbook. Homework. English grammar. Okay. I'm writing short form. You have to understand. Okay. Learn and write. Learn and write from page number. Sorry. Learn and write the 10th main and the 11th main. 10th main, 11th main and 12th main from grammar textbook. From grammar textbook, from page number page number 21 and 22. 21 and 22. Write each one times. One times. Each one time. You have to write each one. I'll write that also. Each one time. Okay. Learn and write 10th main, 11th main and 12th main from grammar textbook. From grammar textbook, page number 21 and 22. Each one time in the class, in the homework. In the homework book. You have to write in the homework book. Copy that from the grammar textbook. You have to write in the homework book. These are the 3 mains I've given you as a homework. Some students have not taken the textbook. For those children, please ask your friends, or else what I've written on the board, you can copy that and give me the homework. Don't tell many reasons that I don't have book, I didn't write, I forgot to bring the book, etc. things. Okay, you have to submit homework and classwork together. Okay, children. Okay, thank you, children.